can touch me. You don't have to be afraid to touch. I'm not scared of you. If anything, I would love to know who you are, know more about you. You could speak into my microphone. Are you here? Yeah, my left foot's falling asleep. Is that you? Are you touching me right now? My left foot is tingling. Is that you on my left leg? Take a picture, left. Nothing? Take a picture. Take a picture of me in this chair. Okay. Molly, are you touching my left leg right now? Please speak into my microphone if you are. My foot's asleep, so I'm not sure. Try it without the flash too. Here, I'll hold that.
Without flash?
Yeah, try it without a flash. I'm here. Could you make that happen to my right leg? I would love, if that was you. I know I'm asking for so much, but I really appreciate you being so kind, so patient. But if you could do that to my right leg as well. I feel it on my left. I feel like an overwhelming sense of calm. You're almost there. I feel it coming. I feel it on my right leg. I feel the tingling. You are so sweet. Thank you so much. That was so crazy. Like I asked her to touch me and I felt like tingling in my leg, and then I asked her to touch the other one and I felt it in, like, I felt like both my legs were falling asleep, but not like they were asleep.
Yeah.
It was like weird. You wanna try?
Okay. Hello.
Hi, Molly. This is my wife. This is Laura.
Hi, Molly.
Could you please touch her? You touched both my legs. We felt you. If you could do the same.
Is it okay that I sit here? If it's okay, will you turn on the light? My orange little flashlight here on the mantle, on the fireplace. If you don't mind.
I'm gonna take some pictures, okay?